Hello students, welcome back to this exercise 12.1 as I started the day before with you people, day before yesterday. So I have left three parts to you. First and second question I solved for you, and there are 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So I'll be sharing the idea of solving those questions with you. I hope you have got the solution because these all questions are based upon the unique formula area of triangle S minus A, S minus B, S minus C under the root. So please be careful and you need to identify, as in question number 3 it is given there is a slide in a park, one of its side walls has been painted in some colors with a message keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the wall are 15, so A you can put is 15, B you can put is 11 and C you can put is 6. All are in meters, so write their dimension in meters only. So again you need to determine the area painted in the color. So same thing, what is S is that I said is the semi perimeter 15 plus 11 plus 6 upon 2, 32 upon 2. So 32 upon 2 will give you 16 here, and then you can substitute the values like 16 into 16 minus 15, then it is 16 minus 11, then it is 16 minus 6 and under the root. So 16 into this is 1, this is 5 and this is somewhere is 10. So what happens here, 16 is itself a perfect square, so nothing to worry, and into 5, and this I can split in terms of 5 into 2. Again this is a perfect square, so what you can do is this is 4, this is 5 under the root 2, so 10 under root 2 meter square will be the area. So in that way you can answer these questions. So my point of discussion with you people is that simply this is 5 fours are 20, not 10. 20 under root 2 meter square will be the answer for this. So keep on writing the sides, write the formula again and again, put the values correctly, and be careful about your factorization also. Perfect squares can be taken outside the third form, only and only those which are the perfect squares. Question 4. Now towards the end, some technical things are added to these questions. Find the area of a triangle whose sides which are 18 and 10 and perimeter is 42. Find the area of triangle, two of whose sides are. So suppose ki A is equal to 18 meter and B is equal to 10. This is in centimeter, so take in centimeter. 10 centimeter, and third side is not known but perimeter is given. So write the information. If perimeter is 42, so that is first side, let the third side is first side plus second side plus third side. Suppose that is C is equal to 42. What is A is 18. What is B is 10. B is 10 plus C is equal to 42. So this is 28 plus C is equal to 42. So C is equal to 42 minus 28. So that is 14. So now A is 18, B is 10 and C is 14, and we are back to that formula. Find S, put the values of A, B, C and get your answer. So I hope comfortably you can proceed and then check whether you are getting the answer correctly or not. If it is not a perfect square, so whatever the prime number with third form at last left there in your answer, so you can leave that. So kindly keep a check upon your calculation part. I hope all of you are clear with that. So here only the two sides were given, third was not given. So on behalf of the information, the perimeter was given, so I can calculate the third side. Then in question number 5, it is given in ratio. Sides of the triangle are in the ratio. So your first part will be let of your answer will be let the ratio be in x. Be in x. So therefore your first side, what is first side, what is second side, and what is third side. So you need to write the step because already I shared with you that this question will be of 3 marks. So somewhere you need to write the steps. Do not write your answer straight away in one step if this is the area s into s minus a. At least you write the information properly and stepwise. So here the ratio is given. So this will be 12x, this will be 17x, and this will be 15x. This is 25x. And perimeter. The perimeter is given equal to what? 540. That is your centimeter. So 12x now plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540. So all are in centimeter. This is 54x is equal to 540. So x is equal to what? 540 upon 54. That is equal to 10. So your x will be equal to 10 centimeter. So this will give you the first side will be equal to 120, second will be 170, and third will be 250. So then area will be equal to what? S into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c whole under the root. Now you find s for these three sides and keep on putting the value of a, b and c finally. Check your factorization and again you see whether you are getting the answer correctly after doing these calculation or not. So if any difficulty comes anywhere or you are not getting the answer, please send a comment to me. I'll come back to you with the right solution of these problems. But in class 9, as you did square roots in class 8, I don't think any difficulty you'll be finding finally. And I told if the perfect squares are there, then no need to think anything else. And if anything that is there in the form of prime number with third form, in which we just cannot find the square root, you leave your answer there within the third form only, as I did in previous 1 or 2 parts of your questions. Last question number 6 is, now you are given with an isosceles triangle. Better you draw the figure. Isosceles, you all are clear that two of the sides are always equal, and an isosceles triangle has perimeter is 30 and each of the equal side is 12. So this is 12, this is 12. Third side I don't know, perimeter is given. So perimeter is given equal to 30. So I will be writing AB plus AC plus BC is equal to 30. So that I can calculate the value of missing one. Now this is 12, this is 12 plus BC is equal to 30. So BC definitely will be equal to what? 6. So if BC is equal to 6, so A is equal to 12, B is also equal to 12, and C is also, C will be equal to 6. That is the third side. First side, second side, and third side. Now ABC is there with me. So finally I can find the semi-perimeter and then put this ABC in the formula of area of the triangle by Heron's formula, S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and get the square root of that, and please check whether the result is correct or not. So that's all about your exercise 12.1. Now if I start with exercise 12.2, because both the exercises are based upon the same concept, that is your Heron's formula. So here is the first question. A park is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD in which your C is 90 degree, AB is 9, BC is 12, CD is 5, and AD is equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? So a good question is here, but you please follow the instructions very carefully, that whatever is given to you, that you need to put correctly in your figure. So I hope all of you will be able to draw the figure for the same. It is given that A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral in which the length of AB is given to you 9, BC is given to you is 12, CD is given to you is 5, and this is your 8. Moreover, your BD is the, if I will join, will be the diagonal of the quadrilateral. So now what is the purpose to join this B with D? Because if you read the question, so you have to calculate the area of this quadrilateral. How much area does it occupy, in which these are the four sides. And another condition given to you is what? This is right angled somewhere at C also. So one of the vertices given to you, that is of 90 degree. Now if you recall your class 7 somewhere, the quadrilateral was introduced to your syllabus, and then in class 8 you did special type of quadrilaterals, if you remember there. So we discussed all the quadrilaterals belonging to your parallelograms. Means specific quadrilaterals when are there, so we are always using the formulas, because then we know the specific formula to get the area of that particular quadrilateral. But here the quadrilateral is not specified. I don't know what type of quadrilateral is this. So that was done in class 7 somewhere, and you were taught if you need to calculate the area of the quadrilateral, what you can do is you can divide it into the two triangles. You can divide it into the two triangles, and moreover, you don't forget the title of your topic, that is the area of triangle. We have to calculate by using the Heron's formula. So immediately your attention must be there that I need to divide this triangle into two triangles. Now you can see. And why this is the right angle? Accordingly it is given because we are very much clear with the right triangles property that can be a Pythagorean triplet. How to go for BD square, you can do that. Here BD square will be equal to 5 square plus 12 square, and I know this is 25, this is 144, will make it 169. So 169, when is a perfect square? So if I'll get the square root, so definitely 13 will be there. Now I have to calculate the area of this quadrilateral. So you see that this quadrilateral is divided. So area of quadrilateral, you can, in place of writing a quadrilateral, you can draw this quadrilateral shape, small one, A, B, C, D, and write the steps A1 plus A2, because two figures are there, two triangles are there. So A1, what is this A1? Area of triangle DCB. Then mention this very clearly. Plus area of triangle DBA plus area of triangle DBA. Now separately you can find these areas, and you give it number 1 and come back to this one and add those two areas to find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So this is the key idea or the step of the question I am sharing with you, how nicely you can arrange the steps in your answer and to the point only. Now this figure is divided into two triangles. So A1 directly I will be using half into base into height. I have to save the time also. This is not conditional ki find the area by using the Heron's formula. So here I can use that half into 12 into 5. So this is 2, 6. I have what is 30. So dimensions are in centimeters square or meter. These are in meter. So this will be 30 meters square. Fine. And here now I am helpless because 3 are the sides, triangle is scaling. So A2, same thing I have to repeat. That's why I am saying all the questions are belonging to this. So do not apply the same in both. Try to save your time. Wherever you are in position to apply half into base into height, you please go for that. Wherever it is conditional, please. So I am finding the area of the quadrilateral. In one I have applied half into base into height. In other I have to go for S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. In that manner you find the area of this triangle. That will be A2, and finally substitute the values here to get the area of this quadrilateral. Will definitely be give you the correct answer of this. Then come to question number 2. Again, that is the repetition. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which your AB is 3, BC is 4, CD is 4, DA is 5, and AC is also 5. So accordingly, at least I will draw the figure for you and see the information whatever is given to me. Somewhere it is ABCD. So ABCD. So this is the quadrilateral given to me, ABCD, in which AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter, AC also given 5. So you please join this. AC is 5 centimeter, and then again this is 5 centimeter here, and this is 4 centimeter here. So 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4 for this, and 3, 4, 5 for this. So 3, 4, 5 for this means, again what you can do is you can find the sides there or ABC and apply the formula, and please write down the answer. So again A1, A2, so both are the scaling ones, so you can go for the Heron's formula in both the cases. Check your answer and then you just try and see whether the answer is correct or not. So onwards, question number 3. I will come back to you tomorrow. Third question. A Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper and it is given in your figure. You need to find the total area. So please try this question also today only at your home. You see, study the figure very carefully. This is a kind of model. You can see the figure is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Aeroplane, two the wings are there, left and right wing. Middle part you can take as a rectangle, bottom is a kind of trapezium and top again is a triangle. So in that way you identify these 5 areas and then find accordingly A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and add that much cardboard will be required. You try it, otherwise I will come back to you with the solution of this by tomorrow. Thank you.